Alright, Wednesday, so we've got to solve this equation, and I'm going to do it directly on here. I could do it on the back, but I think I have enough space to, if I write neatly. So, alright, constant, constant, variable term, constant, variable term. Combined like terms are on the same side. That's 11 minus 4x equals 1 minus 4x. Constant, variable term, constant, variable term. Gonna put the boxes together, or like eliminate one on one side, add 4x, add 4x. Okay, that eliminates, I bring the 11 down. That eliminates, I bring the 1 down. Okay, when you have a constant equaling a constant and they're not, it's a false statement, that's a no solution. Okay, and this is my answer. Okay, the next box, two triangles have the same perimeter. Okay, so that means this side added up equals that side added up. Okay, so I'm going to have to go on the other side of this. Another way to think of it, well, actually, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can fit it all in here because I already see that it'll be a pretty short equation. Okay, so I add up all these sides, so I'm going to add up the boxes first. They're called variable terms, 1, 2, 3, so 3x. And then plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, 3, 6, 9. Add them up. And then here I've got 1x, 2x, and 1x, 2, 4, 4x, and then plus 3 minus 3. Oh, they actually cancel each other out, so I'm not even going to write that. Like a box, circle, and box. I have a box on both sides. Which box should I move? I would eliminate this one, so that is over here. Inverse operation. Okay, 9 equals 1x. And because 4x minus 3x. So that's actually my answer. X equals 9. Next one. The preimage of triangle XYZ has the following coordinates, X, Y, Z. What are the coordinates of the new image after a dilation of 3? Oh, this is so simple. Remember, when you dilate, you multiply by 3, 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 multiply by 3. So X prime, okay, remember to add that little apostrophe, becomes negative 3 times 3, negative 9. Use your calculators if you need to. 4 times 3, 12. Pause the video and do this on your own if you can. Okay, I think you can. Y prime is 2 times 3, which is 6. 1 times 3, which is 3. Z prime, negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. 2 times 3 is 6. All right, this one, hey, it's been a minute since we've done parallel lines cut by a transversal. Remember that? This is called a transversal. These are parallel lines. You can see it from here. Find the value of x and identify. So there's two things. We need to find the value of x and identify the relationship. I would identify the relationship first. So hopefully you remember that these are on the same side of the transversal, and they're in the interior between the parallel lines. So this is an SSI. Same side interior. Okay, but that's not enough. I need to see. Now, when they're same side, let's go. Remember the S? That means they are supplementary. These two angles, they add up to be 180. These two angles. So I'm going to go to the back now. And that's what this box, this second to last box. Okay. So the two angles, one's same side interior angle plus the other same side interior angle should add up to be 180. So here's my equation, which means I can draw my line and then solve for x. So what's one of those same side interior angles? 5x plus 10. And then the other is 13x minus 10. And I'll box, circle, and circle. Okay, so we put those together. 5x plus 13x is 18x. 10 and negative 10, that's actually 0, so it actually cancels out. I'm going to scoot this over so it doesn't look like I forgot some number. 18x equals 180. I've got a box and a circle. So in the box, I need to get rid of that 18, divide by 18. So x equals 10. Okay, so that is my answer, in addition to identifying that it's a same side interior angle. What is the slope of the line? Hey, if you want to use the slope formula, you can, but the shortcut is use arrows since these are points that are easily readable. Now, since the points are already highlighted for us, they made it easy. You choose where you want to start. Okay, so if you start here, you can go right and down or down and right. If you start here, you can go up and left or go left and up. Okay, so I'm going to go, I've decided to choose this one, and I'm going to go up first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw your arrowhead, and since it went up, it's a positive. Then I turn the corner, turn, and I'm here. And since the arrow is pointing to the left, it's going to be a -1. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then we have, I'm going to use the letter M for slope now. So M equals, okay, which also means the rate of change. Okay, so change in Y over the change in X, which is equal to, which one's your change in Y? Which number? Well, remember the Y-axis is vertical, so which arrow is vertical is this one. So the positive 4 goes on top, -8 goes on the bottom. Divide by 4, you get 1 over -2, which bring out the negative, and you get -1/2 as the slope.